Hey guys, and welcome to the official Sourcing with Kian YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is to bring you the best content to master the art of sourcing products from China. For those of you who don't know me, I've been living and working in China for the past 10 years, and in that time I've developed over 2,500 products, visited over 500 factories, and been to more than 20 Canton fairs. That has led me to working with brands such as the NBA, United Nations, Olympics, Ministry of Defence, as well as big box retailers in the UK, USA and Europe, as well as helping Amazon private label sellers with their brands. I just put together this YouTube studio, so I've got a few toys to show you. I've got the signed jersey from Steph Curry.
Curry for three, bang!
Who's a partner in one of our companies which supplies the NBA with official merchandise. I've got some of my favourite books up there, some awards that I've won for speaking or for products that I've developed, and also this torch from the London 2012 Olympic Games. We were the first family business to be awarded the licensee of the games, so that's where you light the torch, and that was quite cool, and my brother got to run with the torch when it came through Scotland. But I want to give you the inside look and the inside advantage in short, concise videos with actionable tips that you can apply to your business today. This could be in the form of footage inside factories or interviews with key opinion leaders in China or around the world. Don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell to turn on post notifications so you can stay up to date with the latest of what's going on in China. If you're more active on Facebook, you can join my free group there, Sourcing with Kian, or if you're on Instagram, feel free to shoot me a DM and we'll connect there. All the links will be down below. With that being said, let's dive into the first video. Click below and let's get started.